Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be looking at some of the technical trends. We'll be looking at the direction, the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. All right, so now as we were talking about this thing that the price is not able to sustain this 100 EMA, and that's the reason the price it was falling. Now look at the today's momentum. There is a good fall. It's around 6% fall. The price is currently falling, but the good news is that the market is still open. So now what we need to see, because currently if you look at the momentum, so we can see that price is trading below than the support area of 22,600, and also this trend line. So the price is currently hovering around at this trend line, which is currently you can see the price is trading at around 21,800, very near to 22,000. Now what could be the things for this particular cryptocurrency? One, if the price closes higher than this particular trend line, we will be like, okay, there was a sell off, but yes, the close happens to be higher than the this trend line, or maybe a support area, right? So if that thing happens, we will be getting a good indication that okay, we might able to see little bit more upside in the upcoming few days. And if that doesn't happen, if the price closes below then the support area of 22,600 as well as this trend line area, again we will come back to the same old region or the same old consolidation area where the price was trading in with again with a support of 20,000 levels. So now this is a very crucial thing, because we were talking about this thing in the past few videos that the price is slowly and slowly going up, but one, the price wasn't able to sustain this 100 EMA, if you specifically talk about the Bitcoin. Secondly, if you look at the whole setup, you can see that the price is basically it's not showing good strength or good momentum towards the upside, and that could be the reason or if you know it perfectly, if you analyze it perfectly, so you would have gotten an idea that the moment price breaks this particular support and the trend line area, you will see further fall. So maybe this is a very good you can say condition, or a very good confirmation that will happen once the price closes today, and then we will able to see what can happen in the near future for the Bitcoin. Now let's just cross the fingers and let's just take the resistance at 25,823, and I'm still taking the support at 22,600 because the price is just hovering around and it's still open. So we can't we can't change the 22,600 as the resistance. So I'm still taking that level as the support area. Now let's talk about the Ethereum here. So we can see a fall in Ethereum as well, but the good part is, because again Ethereum was showing more strength than the Bitcoin. We were talking about this thing, and also you can see the prices in case of the Ethereum, the price is trading higher than this 100 EMA, so which is a plus point, and that could be the reason the price is just holding up the support area of 1725. So the moment price holds up this area, we will be very much sure that okay, we can expect a further upside in the Ethereum. And if that doesn't happen, if the price closes below then 1725 level, again we will come back to the same old area, same old consolidation area of the 1510 and 1725. So what we can expect, let us take this way. Let's take the support at 1725, and let's take the resistance at 2004. And if case if in case today the price closes below than 1725, then we will see that what gonna happen. And if that doesn't happen, we will be again sure that the price will go up in the near future. So this is something which is at a very important level today. In fact, if you look at the volumes, the volumes are also adding to the fact that yes, we can see a good fall, or that the fall is there, right? So we are getting good fall, so that is there. And also the main time, the evening time session is still remaining, so we can just wait for that, and then we can find out what can happen. So this is, I think, this is all from my side today. And if you are liking this content, this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, also hit the notification bell icon so that you can you don't miss out anything important in future. So thank you so much for watching us. Let's meet on Monday. Thank you so much.